right, we're going to be making our pumpkins today, and I want everybody to remember that no two pumpkins look exactly the same. So if your pumpkin does not look exactly like your neighbor's pumpkin, that is okay, okay? First of all, everybody's art should look different. We're all different and draw differently. But also in real life, pumpkins don't look exactly the same. So I'm gonna have my paper the wide way because I want a fat pumpkin. But if you want a tall pumpkin, you can have it the long up and down way. So again, I want a fat one. So I'm gonna have my paper like this. You're gonna come about 3 finger widths down from the top of the page. So you wanna leave enough space for your stem, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a straight line down the middle, and if it's a little crooked, that's okay. And I'm gonna stop when I have a little space left at the bottom, about 1 inch or so. Now you're gonna be drawing this with a pencil, but I'm using a Sharpie so you can see. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is add some curved lines coming from this line on each side. So right now I'm going to do one that makes it look like a D. And then I'm going to do one on this side. Now if you have, oops, I made a mistake, that's okay. Pumpkins have some bumps and curves in them. Okay, now off of that I'm going to do another curve. And I want it not to be too close to this curve. So I'm going to come around this, curve it out, and come down and meet that line again. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Okay, so now what's happening, because we're doing curved lines coming off of that straight line, we're creating form. We're making it look like it's round on our paper. So by doing rounded lines, you're able to create form in your drawing. So I'm going to do another one, and I want to leave enough space, following that line and meeting back in the middle. Okay. If you feel that your spaces were too small, and in order to fill up the space of the paper, you want to do another set of lines on each side, then please do so. What I'm going to do right now is the stem, and it's kind of like a square or rectangle, but it's got a little slant. So I'm going to do a slanted line, and then a curve that meets to that straight line, and then another one on this end. And then to make that stem look 3D, I'm going to do a triangle coming off the top of it. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I want to do a background. I want something for this pumpkin to be sitting on. So I'm going to come up about 3 fingers width and draw a straight line on each side. But I want to make it, you know, kind of even so it doesn't look too crooked. Okay, so that's our pumpkin for today. You're going to slowly trace over with a Sharpie. So if we're pretending this is pencil line, I'm going over very slow. We're not going to fill up any of the spaces today. We'll talk about that next time.